Welcome back, Acadiana. We got 3 systems out there. Of course, we have Hurricane Helene just north of Cancun, and we have 2 other systems out there likely to form into a tropical depression over the next several days. Invest 98L, 70% chance in the next 2 days, 80% chance in the next 7 days, and Invest 99L. Luckily, they'll stay mostly out in open waters and move further west, but we'll also keep an eye out for 98L as it pushes further east. But the main story in the tropics is Hurricane Helene right now. And let's head over to the green screen to get a bigger overview of this hurricane. It is a Category 1 hurricane for now, with wind speeds at 85 miles per hour, and it is likely to rapidly intensify into a major hurricane in the next 24 hours, at least a Category 4 hurricane by Thursday afternoon, with sustained winds at 130 miles per hour as it makes landfall sometime Thursday evening. And even once it makes landfall further inland into Georgia, still holding that hurricane status of at least 80 miles per hour by early Friday morning. So pretty much the entire state of Georgia, as well as parts of Alabama, get it in on the tropical storm to hurricane force winds for Thursday night into Friday. Now it'll continue to push up through Georgia, dropping down to at least a low pressure system by the time it reaches Tennessee, but even then it'll still deal with some breezy to windy conditions for the end of the week and the early part of the weekend. But it is multiple hurricane warnings stretching through middle Georgia, even tropical storm warnings from Florida all the way through Georgia, Alabama, the whole entire state of South Carolina, and North Carolina as well. So very active conditions coming up here in the next couple of days, and flooding will be a major concern for the southeast. Even a few spots of high risk, that's a 4 out of 4 for heavy rainfall. So landslides, mostly in the mountains of North Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina, even for the panhandle of Florida, where some areas can get over 10 inches of rainfall from this system. So timing it out with the wind gusts, at least 100-mile-per-hour wind gusts for the Florida Big Bend region. And once it passes through the panhandle of Florida, even Georgia, South Georgia, but also to be exact, can get up to at least 100-mile-per-hour wind gusts as Helene moves further north into Georgia and for South Carolina towards the end of this week. Now back here in Acadiana, we won't be dealing with any tropical activity here coming up. We'll actually deal with some drier air and sunnier conditions for the next couple of days. Dew point is dropping into the 50s behind that cold front once it passes through the rest of Acadiana tonight, but we'll have dew points pretty much at bay in the 60s through the weekend, so we'll still have very nice conditions for the end of the week and the weekend coming up. But won't be dealing with any rainfall for the rest of tonight. Very dry heading into early Thursday, but the southeast, they'll be dealing with a lot of rainfall pushing through from Hurricane Helene starting tomorrow, headed into Thursday evening as it makes landfall in the Florida Big Bend region, moving further up into Georgia. So a lot of rainfall pushing through the southeast coming up, and that will eventually push into the Midwest, including Tennessee and Kentucky. So with that school day forecast, mostly sunny to kick off with temperatures in the 60s, warming up into the 80s by the pickup. So sunny skies and breezy conditions ahead for tomorrow afternoon. But as far as conditions tonight, cool and dry. We got the clear skies out there as well, and still staying mostly in the 60s. Now for tomorrow, we'll top out at least 85, but we'll be on the breezy side for tomorrow with wind speeds up to 20 miles per hour coming out of the north, gusting up to at least 25 miles per hour ahead for tomorrow. But luckily, this will be the only day that we'll have breezy conditions. After that, we'll have wind speeds pretty much on the calm side for Friday and Saturday. So we'll continue with sunny skies through the end of the week into the weekend. A slight uptick in cloud coverage Sunday, but temperatures mostly in the 80s for the rest of the week. The lowest temperatures will actually be for Thursday and Friday at 85 degrees, and overnight temperatures pretty much in the 60s. So we'll be on the cool side and luckily the dry side for the next 10 days. Stay tuned. We'll have another look at this 10-day forecast coming up.